Welcome to our tutorial on using sort function in Excel. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to efficiently sort your data and unleash the power of Excel's sorting capabilities. Whether you are organizing financial data, managing inventories, or simply arranging information, sorting will help you save time and find what you need effortlessly. So today's video is going to be very important. Please don't skip this video and watch it till end.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
Before starting the practical example, let's first understand the syntax of the sort function. The syntax of the sort function in Excel is equal sort bracket start array comma sort index comma sort order comma by column close the bracket. Let's break down each part of the syntax. The first thing is array. This is the range or array of the data that you want to sort. Sort index. This parameter specifies the column or row number within the array that you want to use as sorting key. If not specified, the function will sort based on the first column or row of the array. The next is the sort order. This parameter determines the order in which you want to sort the data. It can take the following value. 1. Sorts the data in ascending order. -1. Sort the data in descending order. And the last thing is the by column. This parameter is used when sorting a two-dimensional array. If set to true or omitted, Excel sort the array by columns. If set to false, Excel sort the array by row. Let's start the practical example and learn this function. To demonstrate this function, I have this data in which I have the names of the university employees, their designation, and their yearly salary. Now to apply the sort function, I will write equal sort bracket start, and then the first thing that I have to give is the array. So I will select the data in my table, then I will write comma, and now I have to give the number of columns that I want to sort on. So for example, I want to sort on the basis of the yearly salary. So this is the third column. So I will write 3 here. Then comma. And now I have to specify the order. If I want to get the ascending order, I will write 1. And if I want to write the descending order, then I have to write -1. So I want to write it in the descending order. Therefore, I will write -1. Then comma. And now I will write 0 and then close the bracket and press enter. So now you can see that your data has been sorted on the basis of the yearly salary. You can add the header, do some formatting. You got your data sorted on the basis of yearly salary. Now I will show you the other method of sorting the data. For this purpose, I will select this data, right click on it, and then go to the sort option, and here I get the sort by ascending, that is from A to Z, or sort by descending, that is from Z to A. So if I select the first option, that is sort ascending, and now you can see that your data has been sorted on the basis of the alphabet from A to Z. Another thing that you can do is to select this data, right click on it, go to the sort option, and at the last you can see that we have the custom sort. So I will select this. So this custom sort window opens. Now the first thing that I have to do is to select the column. So for example, I select the yearly salary, then I select the sort on values, and then I select the sort descending and click OK. Now you can see that your data has been sorted on the basis of the yearly salary. So these are the different options that you can use to sort your data in Excel. Congratulations! You have now learned the ins and out of using sort function in Excel. By mastering these sorting techniques, you can efficiently organize your data, streamline your workflow, and boost your productivity. Remember, sorting allows you to arrange data alphabetically, numerically, or even by custom criteria, giving you the power to make sense of using information in no time. So go ahead and apply what you have learned. Start sorting your data with confidence and enjoy the benefit of a well-organized Excel spreadsheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and happy sorting in Excel.